This is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. We're now ready to stuff our decorative pillow with the polyester filling that we have here. And I had left a 4-inch opening in the pillow to give us room to do that. So I'll begin stuffing. I like to separate it a little bit so it's not too lumpy once I put it inside. And stuff it all the way down to the corners so we have a nice even filling inside. Kind of a slow process, but for a good result. Start to get the idea of just what it's going to look like when we finish. I'll stuff the top corners too. And I'll continue with my stuffing of the polyester filling into the pillow, and then I'll pin at the top, and then we'll go back and hand sew in the next clip.